How to use Stremio with Torbox. So to be able to use Stremio with Torbox, first go ahead and install Stremio. If you already have Stremio on your device, you can skip this step, but you must have a Stremio app to add the add-on. You can install the Stremio app from the official Stremio website, and then make sure you also sign in or create an account. And then sign up for Starbucks. If you already have an account, you can skip this step. So for the best experience, subscribe to a paid plan. Install the Torbox add-on. This can be done simply by navigating to the settings, which can be found into the section, and simply click the Access Stremio add-on button under the integration section, and this will take you directly to your Stremio app. Now that you are in the Stremio app, it will pop up a box that says you to install the add-on. Click the green install button. Now you have full access to Torbox Stremio add-on. You can use it just like every other add-on and more. So here are some cool things you can do to get started. Go to the Home or Discover tab, click on any movie or show, and Starbucks will show all the streams available for that content. It's super fast, has a lot of information, and for titles that say instant on it, you can start streaming instantly. On the Discover tab, change the first drop down to movies, and on the second drop down, select your media, and this will show all of your media you already have saved in your Torbox account. This is a good way to play your custom content that might not be shown on the streams for titles. At the top of your screen, there is a search bar. You can use this search bar for anything with Torbox. Search for titles, titles in other languages, parts of titles, or even spell a title completely wrong. Our search engine will still give you the results you are looking for. You can even search for things such as actors, character, parts of description, categories, genres, and more. And that is how you can basically use Streamio with Torbox.